Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A94 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings and scroll down again. Now let's tap on backup and reset and tap on erase all data. And as you can see, on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap. And here, just tap on reset network settings. Wait a second, and as you can see, the networks have been reset successfully. So actually, this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your OPPO A94. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.